So Charlie Company 1 Royal Welsh have been operating out as part of the Enhanced Forward Presence with NATO partners, and as part of that Enhanced Forward Presence we could be at times forward as in the name suggests, and we might need to have supplies dropped forward to us in order to get those supplies forward that could be munitions, food, water or medical supplies that we might need. So we spent the last week building up with rehearsals, going through the orders process and low-level lessons based back on tap of camp to build you guys up ready for today. In real terms, enemy anti-air threat, we push that protection out, and then we'll also be protecting ourselves while we recover those stores back to our hide location.